filming.
So if the red light's on, it means we're recording.
Yes.
Well, here's little CRF 250L. He's not. Oh, my key. Oh, that's right. I've got to turn it on. There we go. So this is just a little bit of a review for FMF. Power core 4, and I've left off the plastic just for a bit of extra lightness, weight saving you might say. Some other people might say lightness, and just a little demo of the sound. I think we don't need a comparison, like you can remember what the old one sounds like.